Hey, let me show you how you can fix that issue when you not receive multimedia messages on your Redmi Note 15. So we have to just open this messages application and click on the right upper corner. Then you have to just go to the messages settings, and first of all just pick your SIM card for which one you are not receiving messages. Go for this. First of all, make sure that you select that option to auto download MMS, and also to do this when you are roaming. So it's very important because as default it's actually turned off. And now you can just go back from this one and go to the general settings, then open RCS chats and just make sure that you turn it on for your SIM cards. And over here make sure that you get that option default. So I will stay with this 100 megabytes and also enable this one to auto download files while roaming. So the multimedia messages are actually treated in your phone as files. So when you are roaming, you have to make sure that you also turn on that option. And now let me know if it works. Thanks for watching this video.